Okay, here we go. So we're going to get the inside of this. You just get a glue stick like that and put loads and loads of glue in there. Loads of it, okay? Stick them down there. Right. Get rid of that. You're going to put that on there. Okay, squish it down. Okay, it will come off. Right, it will come off. That's okay. Now we're going to get some of your tape. I'm going to put tape there. Put it up, put it between your legs or something like that to hold it steady. Push it on. Gently. Spin it round. Trying to keep it directly straight in the middle and not pointing off to one side or anything. There we go. Something like that is more than adequate. And now, once it's in place, you can put a little bit more on, go a little bit harder, and then start moving down a little bit so it increases the area that is holding it on. Right, go around a few times so it's about double thickness there. There we go. Get the knife, or your scissors, and there we have the bottle rocket. Now it's aerodynamic. Put the lid on it like that. Now it sits on there. Right, it looks a bit more like a rocket. Okay, now let's move that out of the way. Bring this forward. Now you're going to get your flights that you've made, and you're going to pick off a piece of double-sided tape, backing, which can be a pain. Take that one off. Take that one off. Okay. And you find a spot here. Okay. On the flat bit, and one goes on there. And you spin it round, and you do one dead opposite there, like this. Okay, like that. Try and match it up with the other side. So go on side on, perhaps like that, and the front on. Stick it on there, and you go all the way around.